Let's make the spicy Paneer Veg Pulao, loaded with vegetables and served with a paneer steak on top. This makes for a delicious and healthy weekend recipe. The ingredients required to make this recipe are 1.5 cups of basmati rice soaked for an hour, 250 grams of paneer, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon shahi jeera and whole spices, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, chopped coriander, half a cup of chopped tomatoes, half a cup of diced potatoes, half a cup of onions sliced, and 4 cups of vegetables of your choice. I have taken carrots, cauliflower, green peas, beans, and sweet corn. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add the paneer. Fry the paneer on a low flame till it becomes golden brown. Now in a thick bottom vessel, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add the whole spices and fry it till it becomes aromatic. Now add the sliced onions and saute. Add the ginger garlic paste and fry for a minute. Now add the tomatoes and fry them for a minute. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Now add the jeera powder and shahi jeera, coriander powder, black pepper powder, garam masala, chili powder and saute for a minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Cooking the masalas in steam enhances their flavor. To this, add the vegetables. Now add salt as required and give it a mix. Now add the potatoes and mix. Now add the mint leaves and a fistful of coriander and mix it well. To this, add the soaked basmati rice and the fried paneer. Now add 2 cups of water. Cook it on a medium flame and wait till you hear 2 whistles. Now turn the stove off and let it rest for 15 minutes. And it's done. Light and fluffy, it has the perfect texture. Add to it a well-fried slab of paneer and it's a match made in heaven. Served with raita and a salad, this dish is sure to satisfy your weekend cravings and keeps you wanting for more. Let me know if you liked the recipe in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.